Hello everyone, I'm Gautam Anil, founder of Cumulative Data, where we have created Trel, a DataOps and MLOps platform. With Trel, we aim to empower data scientists to take ownership of their production data science or machine learning pipelines. We do this by employing simple and familiar abstractions to automate complex pipelines, making them robust and easy to manage. Today, I'll show you Trel's advanced data observability capabilities. This demo is based on the customer lifetime value pipeline that was demoed in an earlier video. This video is reasonably understandable by itself. However, watching the earlier videos in the playlist linked below will help understand the full picture. At the end of the demo, this is how our snapshot catalog looked like. Let's review what has happened. So we started from the 9.1 and we automated some jobs. And until 9.6, what we have demoed is largely how to build and automate the pipeline, as well as do some basic troubleshooting. But on the 9.7, we started examining whether or not we could improve our model performance from a zero point 0.7 of R squared. And what we found is that when we add max purchase value as a new feature, we are actually able to increase our performance to 0.75. And on 9.8, we actually changed the schema of the model as well as features to put this effect in production. On the 9th, we actually started examining whether or not we can improve our performance further by doing a parameter sweep of the modeling parameters. The parameters that we were going for were iteration 1, which means one tree, and depth 4, which is not really a lot. By sweeping through the parameters all the way up to 4 trees of depth 5, we found that at around 3 trees of depth 5, we actually get pretty reasonable performance. And this is documented and visible in the catalog due to us choosing a separate label to store each experiment that we ran in terms of model parameter. After choosing this parameter as our new production value, we actually designed a new job where we dynamically decide whether or not the model needs to be rebuilt. Now, when we made this logic in and put it in production, what we found is that the first time it ran, it examined the 9.9 model, which is currently at 0.75 R squared, actually is inadequate because our threshold was set to zero point 0.8. So this job actually chose to build a new model rather than reuse the existing model. However, on 9.11, it actually chose to reuse the 9.10 model because the performance was more than satisfactory. Now, it is clear that the data observability capabilities of Trel is quite satisfactory, as we can easily see the sequence of operations that produced the high quality of results that we see over here. However, it would be better if this could be explained in a more intuitive manner or easily understandable manner in plain English rather than having to infer it from this information, because it is easy to miss some of this if there was more to look at. So, but this is the capability that we offer today, and that is what we are demoing today. So let's take a look. We simply go to explore and ask the question that we want. To answer this question, our platform Trel is engaging with GenAI to while providing the information that it needs to produce the answer that you're looking for. Let's give it a few seconds to figure out the answer. Okay, so it is able to take a look at the data, and it has concluded that initial model performance was poor and there was multiple attempts at iteration, and it found the iteration parameters as well, and then it says that yes, the performance has improved, and then going forward we are actually able to see the higher performance. Great. Now let's take a look at whether or not we can get some clarification on the actual pipeline for this project. So let's ask this. This is a great way to get a quick introduction to the big picture beyond just looking at a graph. Just give it a few more seconds. Okay, so it has explained that this customer lifetime value pipeline consists of data collection, which is happening from sensors that we have um, not going to look at in this demo, but it is covered in the previous video, and some of the information is there. And these are the this is the first job, which is for feature preparation. The second job, which is for model training. There is a model deployment job as well, and there is a prediction generation job as well. And it is giving us the relevant dates and the dates in which we had deployed the model. All right, so ask one more question regarding the schema migration that we did. Let's get some summary of the schema migration activities that were done in this project. Okay, as we can see, again, the platform is giving us the information that we need. It has identified the schema migration for CLV.features and CLV.model very clearly. This functionality can help you get a quick summary of new work that has been done by your colleagues, even remind yourself about the work that you did previously some time back, even help you troubleshoot the production problems that you're facing. If you would like to learn more, please visit our homepage or our YouTube channel, and feel free to sign up at trelcloud.com and start a Trel instance with a 30-day free trial to experience these benefits yourself. You can always reach out to us through this link. Have a good day.